cats! The streetcar is a free, easy, and convenient way to get around town and classes. Follow me to teach you how to ride the Sunlink streetcar.
First, find your nearest streetcar stop. Remember to use the crosswalk to get to the streetcar stop and never walk in front of a moving streetcar. You can check the streetcar schedule and route on our SunTran app or website at suntran.com/sunlink. Once you're at the platform, be sure to stay on the smooth concrete to safely distance yourself from the moving streetcar. When the streetcar makes a complete stop, let passengers exit first, then step on board. If you need the accessibility ramp, push the blue ADA accessibility button by the door. Once on board, find a seat or hold on to a handrail. The streetcar may start or stop suddenly, so always hold on to the handrail. Persons with a mobility device will find a designated area near the door. The streetcar does not automatically stop at every platform, so if your stop is approaching, press the yellow stop request button on the door or the yellow strip by the windows. In the mobility device area, press the blue accessibility button to request a stop and deploy the accessibility ramp.
And that's it! Riding the streetcar is an easy way to get to class, downtown Tucson, and the Mercado District. For more information, visit us online at suntran.com and follow us on social media. Happy riding, everyone!